Beomma Gut Glucose is marketed as a supplement that supposedly supports gut health and promotes better metabolic health. But the real question is, can it actually regulate blood sugar? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar and gut health supplements, such as fiber blends, probiotics, berberine, chromium, or plant extracts, have been studied for potential metabolic effects. But that does not automatically mean a supplement will produce major results. What it does well may support gut health. If the formula contains probiotics or prebiotic fibers, it can help support digestive health and the gut microbiome, could reduce post-meal glucose spikes slightly. Certain fibers and ingredients may slow digestion and help reduce the speed at which glucose enters the bloodstream. Where the hype falls apart, it does not replace medical treatment. This is the biggest issue. No supplement should be expected to replace prescribed treatments or professional management of blood sugar conditions. Regulates blood sugar can be misleading. Marketing language often sounds stronger than evidence. Supporting healthy glucose levels is very different from controlling blood sugar problems. Results are usually modest. Even ingredients with research behind them often produce relatively small effects. So, can Beomma Gut Glucose regulate blood sugar? Short answer, probably not in the way the marketing suggests. It may potentially support gut health or contribute modestly to glucose management depending on its ingredients. But there is no reason to assume it can dramatically regulate blood sugar on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.